These are the few images of slanting bonsai, or Shakan style in Japanese. All the images shown here belong to the respective owners. In slanting bonsai, the trunk and its entire length bend or lean to other direction. It usually happens in nature, when a tree grows against strong winds or on slopes, or if they grow in a shady area where they have to bend or lean to get the sufficient sunlight, which is essential for the growth. Today we are going to create a slanting bonsai with this tree. This is Ficus microcarpa, commonly known as Chinese banyan. First we have to cut some of the branches in a sloping shape, where the trunk is leaning. Let me remove all these branches quickly. After creating a shape, we have to repot this plant in a bigger pot, so these aerial roots can get enough space around the pot. Most of the aerial roots used to die before reaching the ground, if proper care is not taken. This is my regular soil mixture. That is 50% soil, 30% sand and 20% fertilizer. After working for a few hours, it is done. This is the video after 1 month. We have to remove the lower branches, and further trimming have to be done. If we get a close look, here many aerial roots emerge from the top of the branches. They are still young. After 2 or 3 years, they will become thicker and stronger. Eventually they will support the main trunk. Aerial roots can dry out quickly, so water them regularly with spray bottle to keep them stay hydrated. Now second step, here we have to remove those branches near the main trunk to make it more visible. Here we have to do some trimming. Let me remove some branches here, which is not in the shape. The trunk is quite mature. Here we put this rock near the trunk. As time went on, this root wrapped around the rock more tightly. Mostly we see the aerial roots during rainy season, when the plant is in full growth. Aerial roots have diverse functions, like providing support, absorb atmospheric moisture and nutrients from the soil. To maintain the aerial roots, we have to keep them moist by spraying water on them regularly. Last year I've seen many fruits on these branches, but right now fruiting season is over, so we can't see the fruits. While fruiting season, we will provide you the updated video. If you want to grow a slanting bonsai, then I'll recommend you to start with the ficus. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.